Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to add funds on Viewiz.com in a few easy steps. So let's get started. Step 1. First of all, we will open the browser and type Viewiz.com. After that, we will log in. If you do not have an account, then you can sign up. If you do not know how to sign up, then you can watch our previous video. Step 2. After logging in, we will have to click on the Add Fund option given below. After we click on the payment form and choose one of the payment options, we will enter the amount and click on the I Pay option. Step 3. After that, a new interface will open. First, you have to enter your email address. After that, you will have to fill in your card details, then enter your full name and select your country. After that, click on the payment option. Congratulations! Funds have now been added to your Viewiz account.